Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best car vacuum cleaner available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best car vacuum cleaner, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. MIJIA Xiaomi 5-in-1 Car Vacuum Cleaner. Xiaomi 5-in-1 Car Vacuum Cleaner 199000 powerful handheld cleaning machine for home appliance car cleaner, wireless portable, boasting a 1,990,000 pascals suction. This vacuum cleaner tackles tough stains with ease. Enjoy the freedom of a wireless design, perfect for on-the-go car cleaning. Its mini size ensures easy storage and transport, ideal for home and car use. Designed for convenience, this vacuum can be mounted in your car for quick cleaning. With a robust battery, the vacuum cleaner offers extended cleaning sessions. Number 2. Xiaomi 120 watts Car Vacuum Cleaner. 120W Car Vacuum Cleaner Vertical Bar Wireless Vacuum Cleaner Vertical Bar High Power 120 watts motor equipped with a robust 120 watts motor. This cordless vacuum delivers powerful suction for deep cleaning. Features USB charging, allowing for quick and easy recharging anywhere with a USB port. Includes a premium washable filter, ensuring efficient filtration and long-term cost savings. Comes with multiple nozzles for diverse cleaning needs, tackling tight spaces and upholstery. Ergonomically designed for portability, this vacuum is a breeze to store and transport. Number 3. SUITU Car Vacuum Cleaner. Car Vacuum Cleaner High Power Portable Handheld Wireless Brushless Motor Cleaning Machine Powerful Air Duster for Home Appliance. Car Vacuum Cleaner Vertical Bar Wireless Vacuum Cleaner Vertical Bar Brushless Motor equipped with a powerful brushless motor. This vacuum cleaner delivers consistent suction and durability. 29000 par vacuum degree boasting a high efficiency 29000 par suction. It effortlessly picks up dust and debris from various surfaces. Features a convenient Type-C charging line for quick and efficient power-ups, ensuring you're always ready to clean. Incorporates a smart chip with a child lock function, safeguarding against accidental operation. At just 480 grams, this wireless vacuum cleaner is designed for easy handling and portability. Number 4. Xiaomi Cordless Car Vacuum Cleaner. No need for constant battery replacements. This cordless car vacuum cleaner's rechargeable battery ensures lasting use. Wireless convenience. Enjoy the freedom of wireless cleaning with this cordless car vacuum, eliminating tangled cords and limited mobility. With 80 W power and strong suction, this vacuum cleaner tackles even the toughest stains with ease. Versatile and adaptable, this car vacuum cleaner is perfect for both dry and wet cleaning tasks. Compact and lightweight, this Xiaomi cordless car vacuum cleaner is designed for easy portability and use. Number 5. Xiaomi new 9,500,000 pascals 5-in-1 cordless vacuum. The upgraded cordless handheld vacuum cleaner provides 2 suction modes, and the powerful cyclonic suction power is up to 15 kilopascals, which can meet your different cleaning purposes. This mini vacuum cleaner weighs only 1.6 pounds and is equipped with a large enough 12-ounce dustbin. Its compact structure can find its place in cabinets, garages, laundry rooms or any other suitable corners. Adopting multiple 2000 mAh lithium-ion batteries